Alright then, it's just about kick-off time now. It's a bit of a weird one today, so we are in Ebbw Vale for a game between Ynysddu and Pill YMCA. Basically, as some of you will know, Ynysddu's pitch is quite overbooked at times this year, so we're playing here in Ebbw Vale in 3G instead. It should be a decent game in Grant County Leagues. I know Ynysddu is second. I'm not sure where Pill are, but they're not that far behind. Pop the table in now, as I always do. So yeah, just about ready for kick-off. Luckily, the rain has stopped and looks like it passed, because there's some blue sky behind. But with there being no cover whatsoever here, if the weather gets too bad, I might have to cut this short. Hopefully that doesn't happen. Just about ready for kick-off now. And we're underway. Ynysddu are in the yellow and Pillar in the orange, I think. I'll double check and clarify in a second. Oh, decent turn and strike. Pill gonna have a corner. Interesting thing, there's no corner flags here. Bit unsure why, but there we go. Oh, interesting corner. Oh, that's one ball down already. Right, Ynysddu with the ball out right. Pull it in. Falls about. There we go. 1-0 to Ynysddu already. Must be about 3 minutes in. 1-0. Not a bad start. Pull it in. Falls about. Well, looks like we've got some corner flags on the way. Right, Ynysddu attacking again. It's the second ball gone. Decent turn that. Oh, ambitious chip. Oh, good bit of movement. There we go. 2-0 to Ynysddu. About 22-23 minutes in. 2-0. Really nice bit of movement down the left hand side. Plays him through, easy finish. Oh, good bit of movement. There we go. Alright, Ynysddu are going to have a free kick right on the edge of the box. Thought I'd recorded the foul, but I evidently wasn't. Good chances. Oh, lovely strike, just off target. Right, nice bit of movement there from Pill. Oh, great save from the keeper. Fucking save. Oh, Ynysddu on the break again on the right hand side. Rolled across, easy goal, 3-0. Still not even a half hour gone, 3-0 to Ynysddu. Absolutely killing it so far, really. No other way to describe it. Ynysddu on the break again on the right hand side. Rolled across, easy goal, 3-0. Still not even a Ynysddu on the break again. Squared it. Oh, what a save. Won't get a rebound, 4-0. Just gone 35 minutes gone, 4-0 to Ynysddu. Just destroyed him. Oh, Ynysddu on the break again. Squared it. Oh, what a save. Won't get a rebound. Right, corner just before half time. And that's half time. 4-0 to Ynysddu. Something you don't see very often doing half time outside. Well, with it just being a leisure centre, kind of makes sense. Still in behind. Oh, straight at the keeper. Double save. And it's gone wide. Interesting start to the second half. Good ball through in there for Pill. Oh, don't know how that stuck with the keeper there. That should be 4-1. Right, Ynysddu with the ball on the left hand side again. Good ball in. Oh, if he'd have gambled, he'd have had a tap in. Right, Ynysddu attacking again. Rain's coming down now though. Oh, a piece of defending. Right, free kick to Pill. Decent strike. Oh, not held by the keeper. Good block and put in again. There we go. 4-1 to Ynysddu now. Keeper's complaining, said he had the ball in his hands, not from where I saw. 4-1. Decent strike. Oh, not held by the keeper. Good block and put it on the run again. Decent ball to the back post. Headed straight to the keeper and in again. 2 goals in 2 or 3 minutes. 4-2 to Ynysddu now. Maybe this is going to be like Tuesday and it's going to finish 4-4. On the run again. Decent ball to the back post. Headed straight to the keeper and in again. So the rain is coming down here quite heavily now. Yeah, like 15 minutes left of the game. Carries on like this. Updates will be very, very few and far between. Right, 5-2 to Ynysddu. Just scored a cracking goal and I missed it. My phone was too wet and I couldn't get the camera on in time. Beautiful ball over the top. It's just chipped keeper from like 10 yards out. 5-2 now. Just under 15 left. Oh, good save. Gonna get the rebound. Block. Oh. Oh. Good ball out there to the left. Oh, good finish. In off the post. 6-2 to Ynysddu. Oh, good ball out there to the left. Oh, good finish. In off the post. 6-2 to Ynysddu attacking again down the right side. Good ball in. Ah, just got away. But must be less than 5 minutes left now. Still 6-2 to Ynysddu. Right, the full-time whistle has just gone. It's finished 6-2 to Ynysddu against Pill. I'll talk more in a second.